Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you how I like to make what I've been seeing all over social media, these lazy dumplings. I kid you not, this is probably the best thing ever. They're easy, they're delicious. Like, comes together in no time. I use shredded chicken for this, but you could use pork, whatever ground meat you'd like. Um, just you have to make these. These are perfection. So let's get started.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.